Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to add website to desktop in Windows 10 so you can access your favorite sites quickly and easily. Step 1. Open your Google Chrome browser. This is the browser we'll use because it has a built-in feature for creating website shortcuts and it's fast and reliable. Step 2. Visit the website you want to add to your desktop. Make sure the page is fully loaded so the shortcut links correctly to the site. Step 3. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of Chrome. This menu gives you access to additional tools and settings for your browser. Step 4. Hover over More Tools and then select Create Shortcut. This option allows you to create a clickable icon for the website on your desktop. Step 5. Name your shortcut. You can choose any name you like, ideally something that helps you quickly recognize the website. Step 6. If you want the website to open in a separate window, check the box labeled Open as Window. This will make the site behave like an app instead of opening in a regular browser tab. Step 7. Click on the Create button. This finalizes your shortcut and tells Windows to place it on your desktop. Step 8. The website shortcut will now appear on your desktop. You can double-click it anytime to open the site instantly without launching your browser first. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.